I gave AI one job: design my entire print-on-demand store. Not one shirt, a whole matching collection. While I basically sat back and watched. A few minutes later, I had a full set of designs, print ready, sitting in mockups, ready to list. But there's one flaw with the entire thing nobody talks about. And if you skip it, it can get your account shut down. Let me show you the build and the flaw. Here's the challenge. Most people use AI to make one design at a time. That's slow, and one design isn't a store. So I'm using Kittl, who is sponsoring today, to generate a whole cohesive collection in one shot. Make every one print ready and drop them into mockups, all in the same place. No tab juggling. Link is in the description if you want to follow along. Let's build a store. First, I need a niche. I'm pulling one from my research vault. Let's go with this one. Now, the trick to a real collection is consistency. Same style, same vibe across every design. In Kittl, I set a style reference, so everything the AI makes matches. I write a few simple prompts, bold typography, funny phrases, a clean vintage look, and I put the exact text in quotes so it spells everything right. Now I hit generate and watch this. Instead of one design, Kittl gives me a whole set that all share the same style. That's a collection. In the time it took me to say that, I've got a whole wall of designs that look like they belong in the same shop. This is the part that changes the game. You are not designing a shirt, you're designing a brand. Okay, a wall of designs is cool, but it's worthless if it's not print ready. So here's how I turn every one of these into a clean, scalable print file. Background gone, vectorize, in just a couple clicks each. Watch. I select a design, hit remove background, one click, transparent. Then the vectorizer. Now it scales crisp on anything. Sticker to hoodie, same window, no downloads, no other apps. I run through the set, and now my whole collection is print ready. Real quick before we wrap the store, do not rush to list these. The AI snuck one mistake into this collection. That can get your whole account banned. Now, it also depends where you're uploading. I'll show you how to catch it in 60 seconds. First, let's see it in mockups. Last build step. Mockups, Kittl has them built in. So I drop each design onto a product, and now I can actually see my store. From a niche to a full mockup ready collection without leaving the page. From here, I export the transparent files, upload them to my favorite print-on-demand platform, and the designs are live. Now the flaw. The AI will happily design something that's trademarked. It doesn't know, and it doesn't care. And if you list a trademark phrase, that's how you get your account suspended. So before any of these go live, I run every phrase through the free USPTO trademark search. tmsearch.uspto.gov, and I kill anything that's registered. AI builds the store. You still have to be an adult in the room. That one step protects everything. So what's a whole store? Built with AI in one place. If you want to build yours, go try Kittl. The link is right in the description down below. You can start for free. Get in there and make your first collection. If you want access to over 2,000 niches with 20 new every week and the free spreadsheet, then comment Volt and I'll send you the exact niches I use. I update that every single week. It's a free spreadsheet in the description too. If this helped, subscribe. I'm doing this every week. And smash that like button because it pushes it more into the algorithm for me so more people like you that need help see this. I'll see you in the next one, and watch this video right here next if you want to see how to create a t-shirt design from scratch with Kittl.